All right. This is going to be a semi video of my 2013. I don't know, I bought it used, but I believe it's a 2013 custom run Dean Switchblade ML. It says ML. It's one of the few Dean MLs that has 24 frets. See, 24 double dots. The modifier I think has 24, and there's two dime models that have 24. Well, now actually, this year or last year they just started making a few of them MLs with 24 frets, but they never did. The dime concrete sledge has 24, and there was a Razorback, just a limited couple of Razorbacks. One was that guy that passed away. Really, he was a crazy player. He played on a skateboard and everything. I forget his name right now, but he had a Union Jack on his. That was 24 frets, and they made a slime, and I forget what the other one was. But most of the Razorbacks now aren't. Anyway, this is kind of thin. Oh, I still hurt myself, so I can't show a lot. But Dean Custom Run, 62 of 100. Custom run, I believe it was 2013. And the funky thing of this is Switchblade. It has a blade switch, and boom, plug it in up here like a. I can't get the light, but you can see it. You plug it in up there like a rose. Shut. Guitar, if you can't see something nice, don't see nothing at all. Good. All right, so also, what I wanted to show you is I changed all this. Came with two push pulls. It still has two push pulls. This is just a straight up volume. Oh, I did leave the tone controls alone. But anyway, all right. So here, this. One of them is a phase reverse. One of them puts these two together so you can reverse phase. Because normally on a 5-way blade, you have this, this, and this, this, and this, and this. But on this one, I wired one of these push pulls so it puts the neck and that together, and the other one at a phase. So. That's out of phase. Alright, that's just something I'm making up. Anyway, 2013 Dean Switchblade. Hey, let's just try the middle. Just for fun. In the clean channel. This is the sensor single coil stock from Dean. Okay, now it's just not making sense, so it doesn't matter. Let's just shut it down. There it is. Dean, custom run.